So you want to build an AI app? Professor Bear here. I'm not here to sell you anything. If this is for you, great. If it's not, that's fine too. I know hundreds of recent master's graduates in engineering and AI. I know which ones are exceptional. Most of them are targeting FAANG right now, and that search takes months. I match the right person to your project. Web developers for web work, AI specialists for AI systems. Before any code is written, we build a detailed spec together, an SDD, and a client-facing overview. And I'm there when they hit a wall. Build per hour, $35 an hour. Some weeks that's 10 hours, some weeks more, some weeks less. You pay for what you actually use. No retainer, no quarterly commitment. If good news comes and the recent grad gets a job, we'll get somebody else up to speed with a seamless handoff. The grad gets real project experience and income while they search. You get excellent work at today's rate before the market catches up. I connect startups with exceptional recent engineering grads. Top-tier talent at entry-level prices. Win-win. Grad makes some money and gets experience. Maybe he or she is your first employee. Your AI or tech vision becomes real.